Today, we're going to be going over how to view any tasks that are assigned to you within your TechnoMile Growth Suite. Tasks can be created manually, or they can be added using features like the scorecard, and they can be added by other users as well, or by yourself. So first, we're going to log into your Growth Suite. We're going to open up the app launcher over here, and we're going to type in tasks. We're going to select tasks. This will open up your list of tasks. Like all Salesforce objects, it's going to default you to recently viewed. So if you're looking for your open tasks or maybe overdue tasks, this is how you can change the list and show what you're looking for. Left side will allow you to select a task, and on the right side, it'll actually show you the information about that task. You're able to mark it as complete from right here, create a follow-up, edit the details of it. All of that is available right from this view right here. But this will show you your open tasks, including overdue ones, and when they were actually due. You can notice the date in red shows I'm a little behind on my tasks.